Come on. I like want to go in and be like, all right. I'm
knock on the door?
Yeah, you need help.
What is it? He's like doing, he's turning around.
He's panicking.
He went in too quick.
It's not just that, he went in and he wasn't lined up right. He hit something.
Did he?
Yeah, I heard it.
Uh-oh. Oh. What are you doing? Let him do it.
No.
Come on. Oh, this is the best thing in the world. I've never laughed so hard. That's a lie. Did they give up?
I don't know what's going on.
No, they didn't give up. Oh. This is ridiculous. Are we gonna have to call the fire department to get him out?
I hope not. You need to go help him.
Oh, this is perfect. Is it starting? Oh, he got it. I think.
He's got
It's pushing his car. His whole car just moved to the right. Oh my god.
Oh, people.
I wonder how old they are.
It must be old.
Dude, the thing is not moving.
That's like a $40,000 car.
They're not. The thing isn't even moving.
That you gotta drive up on the hump in order to move it.
Oh, it's moving.
There you go.
Oh, the door's opening. You didn't get a wash. The wash is now ready. Oh my god, dude.
They're like embarrassed at this point.